In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add animated icons in card.co. By the end, you'll know exactly how to place an icon, pick the right symbol, and bring it to life with clean, purposeful motion that enhances your design without distracting from your content. Start by opening your site in the card editor and navigating to the section where you want the icon to appear. It helps to think about the role the icon will play. Maybe it highlights a feature, draws attention to a call-out, or visually supports a heading. Being intentional about placement keeps your layout balanced and easy to scan. Next, add the icon element. Click the plus button to add a new element, then choose icon. Card will drop in a default placeholder icon so you can see exactly where it sits within your section. This makes it simple to evaluate spacing and alignment as you work. Click the icon to open its settings panel. Under icon, select Pick Icon to browse for the symbol you want. Use search terms that match your message to quickly find a good fit. Aim for clarity and consistency. Choose a symbol that's easy to recognize and that matches the overall style of your site. As you test options, watch the canvas so you can see how each choice reads at the size you're using. Now it's time to animate the icon. Scroll down to the animation settings. You'll see several options. Bounce adds a quick, attention-grabbing hop that's great for drawing the eye. Pulse creates a subtle breathing effect that feels soft and approachable. Spin rotates the icon and works well for loaders or dynamic indicators. Fade gently reveals the icon and is a good choice when you want motion without too much energy. Slide moves the icon in from a direction, which can help guide a viewer's gaze as they scroll. Fine-tune the behavior with speed, trigger, and repeat. Speed controls how fast the motion plays. Slower speeds feel more refined, while quicker speeds stand out more. Trigger lets you decide when the animation starts. Hover is perfect for interactive elements on desktop, while in-view starts when the icon enters the viewport as someone scrolls. Keep in mind that hover effects won't fire on most touch devices, so in-view is often the more universal choice. Repeat governs how often the animation runs. A single playthrough can feel polished and professional, while a gentle loop can keep a page feeling lively. Just avoid overly aggressive repeats that compete with your content. Preview your changes by hovering or scrolling in the editor and adjust until the motion supports your message. That's all there is to it. Simple, clear, and effective animated icons in card.